The Ryobi 18V ONE Plus Easy Clean Power Cleaner is the perfect solution for cleaning up around the house or as you go. Powered by the Ryobi ONE Plus battery, it's portable, easy to use, so you have the ability to take it anywhere. It pulls water from any freshwater source by connecting to a standard garden hose, 6-meter siphon hose or 2-litre bottle. Just attach the quick connect adapter to a garden hose and lock it into place. Now you have the ability to clean anywhere around your home or garden. Whether you're just using it to spray off your patio furniture or detailing your car, this tool provides the cleaning and portability you need. What if you're not around a water source? Easily connect the included 6-meter siphon hose and you're able to pull water from any freshwater source, whether it's a lake, pool, or even a bucket. This gives you the ability to use the power washer where you may not have access to a water source. No need to drag your muddy camping gear back to your house, easily tackle cleaning on the spot. Need a quick clean-up at home or after an outdoor activity? This bottle adapter is the perfect solution. Just fill it with water, snap in the quick connect adapter, and you're ready to clean. The portable design makes cleaning beach gear, muddy bikes, and other outdoor equipment quick and easy. This easy clean power washer runs with cold or even hot water for stubborn dirt. While using a siphon hose or bottle adapter, you can spray detergents or cleaning solutions. The 3-in-1 nozzle allows you to easily select one of 3 spray patterns: 15-degree, turbo, or rinse. With the full lineup of accessories, you have the ability to choose the perfect cleaning solution. You can attach a detergent bottle, wheel brush, or even a squeegee. This gives you the ability to clean so much more than you could with just a standard garden hose. The Easy Clean Power Cleaner is powered by a Ryobi 18V ONE Plus battery, making it the perfect cordless cleaning tool.